Hello everybody and welcome back to Casual Aquatics. I am truly excited to present this unboxing from Dustin's Fish Tanks, Planted Tanks, Made Easy. Now I know I say that a lot, but I am genuinely excited to be trying this guy out. I've seen his ads all over social media, all the different platforms, Instagram, Facebook, all of them. And as some of you might know, I am trying to plan out my community 125. So I was on the hunt for plants, trying to find some good deals, looking for some good stem plants, and I decided to try him out. So without further ado, we are going to unbox this and check them out. I will get them in my tanks and show you what they look like, the quality. The shipping on this from the point of purchase to receiving took approximately 4 to 5 days, so not too bad on shipping. So for starts, what did I get? I'm assuming he sends his order papers with all of his orders. That's kind of cool. But the plants that I'm checking out is Hygrophila cordata red and Ludwigia indica, or inclinata, which is another red colored plant, and they're supposed to be tall stems. Now I like this already. He's using these sealed bags like Aquarium Co-op does. These things are perfect for either keeping heat or coolness in or around the material. Inside here we also got some extras. We'll see what that is. I'm sure he won't mind me showing it off and advertising for him. This is cool. It's like a little magazine brochure of what you can get. Of course, DustinsFishTanks.com. This man does have a lot of plants, and that's why I decided to give him a try, and I will probably be trying him out on more plants. Real quick, says, thank you for your business. We hope these plants arrive to you in good condition. If they did not, for whatever reason, please let us know within the first 2 hours of getting this package. Please take photos of the box, the label on the box, and the contents. Stop before you put them in the tank. This is pretty much their policy, saying they try to rid their plants of pests and snails and worms and stuff, but to be sure, you can bleach dip your plants. And finally, think like a plant. What would Mother Nature do? You might have purchased plants from us that are bound in a rubber band or in a pot. All of this can and should be removed in your plants as well as they would in nature into your aquarium. We appreciate your business. We will be emailing you a review. Those who review us help us out tremendously. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. Got a little business card. Hit him up on Dustin's Fish Tanks. Whoa, sorry. And we got a sticker for the tank. That's awesome. Alrighty guys, I went ahead and opened it, took it out of the bag. It's in another bag wrapped in some newspaper. Now, of course, I gotta open that up and get it in the tank, and I will show you from there. Like it said in the note, I don't think I'm gonna be reporting nothing. They look like they're in really good shape, quality, so no biggies there. I'm gonna get them in my tank, and that's how we're gonna wrap up this video. Alright everybody, so these red ones are the ones I got from him. I got a couple tucked back there in the back. They don't look the greatest, but they're gonna take a little bit to recover, or at least that's my guess and hope. And then I also got those dudes right there. The same thing, they're kind of wilted looking-ish, but I feel like once they've been in there for a little bit, they'll recover, their roots will start bedding down, and hopefully they will get more vibrant. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. And as always, Stay casual.